Mega love shout out. Mga kaibigan, ako po si Tech Shider. Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Shout out po sa inyo. Ma'am Sally Alvarez for giving super thanks. Maraming salamat po. Naway dumami ang inyong blessings. Wika po ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen. Life is changing. We are winning. Congratulations po mahal naming inang Reynang Helen. Muli po akong narito para i-share ang video ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrajak. Ito po ay ang kanyang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa pag-celebrate at pagbati sa kaarawan ng ating mahal na Haring Raja Mamay. Kasama na ang pagpupugay natin sa ating mahal na Haring Raja Mamay Abdurrajak. Bilang ating Commander-in-Chief of Natulu Pusag, ang video po na ito ay pagmamay-ari ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrajak. All credit to our Her Royal Majesty Queen Helen. At sa ating beloved Princess Putria Meriam Aljang. Ang video po ay inyong mapapanood sa kanilang official YouTube channel at Facebook pages, na akin pong inilink sa may video description, para sa kompletong mensahe ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen. Atin pong panoorin ang video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Live from the land of our forefathers, and I am now having this beautiful moment to be able to see the good news that we are going to take at this very moment. I am having all these things as I look up, because I am being watched by our Nene. So this one is very good, and we are going to make a difference in this matter. I know that everyone would like to be part of this. Everyone would like to come and share this moment. But thank you very much, because this is the moment that we should know that life is changing, that we are winning. And I thank each and every one of you for the celebration that you have done in support of the installation of King Mamay as the Sovereign Commanding-in-Chief of the NATO. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ito ay ipopost ko alang-alang sa atin lahat na nagsakripisyo sa araw na ito, pero nag-enjoy dahil nakita ng buong bayan ang ating pinaghihirapan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At naway, nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. At ngayon, ito ay talagang, this is one of a lifetime. The update, the strategy, lahat itong implementation, behind the curtains, wala kayong alam. Pero ito, makikita ninyo at maramdaman ninyo na talagang nagkakaisa na lahat. Maraming salamat. Masalam.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nagkokomento ng positibo. Please like the video to support. At inyo pong i-share sa inyong social media communities. At kindly subscribe kung kayo po ay bago sa aking YouTube channel. God bless.